Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you'd replace your tail lights on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. So you've got, this is the outer tail lights and outer tail light assembly. We've got a marker light or side marker light here. We got the tail light and the brake light. So when you hit the brake, this one illuminates also. It goes brighter because it's got a double element bulb. This is your blinker light, and then here is just your inner marker light, and then we've got the reverse light. So we're going to go over the process of how to replace all of this. To start with, we're going to need to pop the hatch and pull it up. And right here you've got two number 10 screws or bolts that need to be removed to be able to do this outside assembly. And once you got those two bolts removed, you really just need to wiggle this, and you're going to have to wiggle it a lot, and then you got to pull on it. I mean, it's pretty hard to get out without breaking anything, but you're going to want to wiggle and pull back, and then when you have it released, then you can get full access to all of your lights. So the blinker light right here is the bottom one, and so just twist that a quarter turn to the left. And this is the light bulb. Just pull it straight up, and here we've got the light bulb. And when you get to get a new one, this is a 7440. That's the light bulb that you would get to put back in for the blinker. And then put it back in here and spin it a quarter turn to the right. And so that's how you replace your blinker on your 2019 Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.